Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the May mystery kit, and I am obsessed with this kit. It's probably one of my favorite scenes because I think it's so unique, but let's go ahead and get into it. This kit was dropped off on Tuesday at the post office, I believe, and this video is going up Wednesday. This kit is no longer available. If you are not a subscriber, you could check out our buy, sell, trade group on Facebook. I'll try and leave that link down below if you want to see if anybody's selling their kit. But as of buying it in the shop, it is no longer available. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this one here is a pool theme, and I am obsessed. I love this scene. It's a flat lay of a swimming pool, and I just think that's so cool. Here's a little sneak of the foil. We did do a fun foil with this, which I'm really excited about. I've heard the request for more fun foils and more foil designs. So I think actually next month is a fun foil and a new design, which I'm really excited about, but there's a lot coming as far as different foils and then also new foil designs. So really exciting news there. So you do have your two fashion options here, which I just think are so beautiful. I especially love this girl here. This is just such a cute little floaty too. You have a fashion flat lay and then a food flat lay, which you guys know I'm obsessed with food flat lays. And then there is a cake and a floral arrangement along with a little like, what are they called? Pool balls? What are they called? I don't know what they're called. The balls that you, beach ball, that's it. And then you have this flat lay scene, which I just think is so fun, like a flat lay scene. I don't know, the pool looks so cool. I feel like Jess did an amazing job with this month, and I am obsessed with the colors. You guys will see. Look at these colors. They're so pretty. I love like this trio of colors here, and then the pink just brings it all together. You have your tall box over here, which has just kind of like more of a scene with the pool floaties and balls and things like that, along with the florals. I just think this is gorgeous. I do think it would look really pretty maybe with a quote box on top that has to do with summer. This, I feel like you could go so many foil colors with it. You could do hollow, you could do silver, you could do gold, or you could use the fun foil, which I just think matches like really, really perfectly. Then, and this is like really pretty. It's not like a yellow, but it's not a green. It's like an in-between, which is just so nice. You do have the deco here, the glitter headers, the boxes with a lot of the terrazzo and paint splatters and things like that on there, the solid labels, the pattern labels, and then you have the terrazzo bottom washi. You have your extra color here and your label sampler along with the other fashion options, more fashion options here, and then two full boxes. You have the pool floaty with the drinks in it, and then you have the little grill with the hand. Then you do have, for the bottom washi, I decided to do a pattern because I thought that would look really cool, especially with the foil on top of it. And then there is also the like patterned boxes, which are just on the mystery kits. So that is this month's mystery for the ultimate. Let me go ahead and go into the ultimate's foil. It is so pretty. It is a sparkly orange. Let me see if I can pull up my flashlight to get a... It's like a sparkly orange, has a little like yellow in there. I just think it's gonna look stunning. Whenever I saw them next to each other, I was like, wow, that is a gorgeous fit. Like, oh, it's so pretty. I love the orange in this kit. I just think this is gonna bring it out. But like always, you could totally use this with another kit and use, if you wanna do silver, gold, or hollow or something like that. But I really do love the combo of this with the stars. I just think it's super cute. So you have the full boxes and the headers. You do get 2 pages of that. You have the bougie boxes, 2 pages. You also have the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi, which is just gonna look so cool. I'm like obsessed with it. So that is everything for the ultimate kit. I hope that you guys like this month's mystery. I just think it's really pretty and the colors are just gorgeous. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. The mini kit's the more affordable option. You do get 1 page of sticker extra, and then you also get a little matte freebie there. So let me show you guys what this looks like. So you do get the full box page, the deco page, the glitter header page, the mini kit page, which has some little things, some fancy labels, third boxes and half boxes, your bottom washi and date covers. You do get this page here, so you get a ton of labels and then extra fashion options as well if you wanted to switch those out or just add in some extra fashion. And then you do get a matte freebie with this. This one is a, it's like a copper orange. So that is the matte freebie in the mini kit. So that is everything for this month's mystery kit. I hope that you guys like it. Like I said, I have been seeing the requests for more fun foils, but don't worry if you're not like crazy on fun foils, I still will reel it in with some normal colored foils that are easy to use with the kit or to switch out with others. But I just want to kind of spice it up every once in a while so that you guys are getting something different and something a little bit unique. So I hope that you guys like this month's mystery. Again, if you aren't subscribed and want to get your hands on it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. The next time spots open will be for next month's mystery, which I'm really excited about as well. Like I said, that is a fun foil. Personally, it's not like it's one of my favorite foils, and so I don't really consider it super fun, but as in like colorful, but it is a new foil format that you haven't seen before, so new design. So that's really exciting. So that's everything for this month's mystery kit, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.